Many thanks for joining us. Let's now take a look at the news in detail. President Adama Barrow on Sunday visited the construction site of a grand mosque in Dippa Kunda to see for himself the progress of works. The Gambian leader expressed his delight in the pace of the work and also heaped praises on Huda Foundation for spearheading the initiative. Awsane reports.
Dippa Kunda is one of the sprawling suburbs of Serekunda with thousands of Muslims that need a place to establish worship. The growing population of Muslims in the country has also exerted a huge pressure on space for worship, hence the need for more spacious places of worship for Muslims. In view of this, the Huda Foundation is bankrolling an ambitious mosque building project in Dippa Kunda to cater to the need of Muslims there and outlying communities. In a show of support for community-driven initiatives, President Barrow toured the construction site of the mosque over the weekend. The mosque, a voluntary initiative by Huda Foundation, is designed to serve as a spiritual and social hub for local communities. During his visit, President Barrow commended the Huda Foundation for its commitment to promoting peace, tolerance and social cohesion through this significant project. Speaking in Fuller, President Barrow said he was honored and privileged to visit the construction site and applauded the donors for their sacrifice in supporting this religious cause, which, he said, is a practical proof of their devotion to the Islamic faith. His Excellency Barrow also encouraged philanthropists to donate to the charitable organization to complement their effort in not only constructing mosques, but also in providing education and healthcare facilities. For his part, Mamadou Jallo, Secretary General of Huda Foundation, enumerated the activities of the foundation, which he explained include helping the needy, especially during Ramadan, building schools, preaching and other related activities.
We have a number of programs in the radio, the TV, and we also venture in education. We have few classes behind this crowd, very few classes, grade 1 to 5. Of course, these were houses when we bought this land. We didn't demolish all the rooms. We decided to make use of some of them. Those in the front, we left them as an investment. There are a few stores there, people are paying, and we plow the money right into the masjid. And then the few classes we have here, we are accommodating children to learn from grade 1 to grade 5. They are open.
Jallo further explained that they reserved a part of the land to build stores there to be able to generate income and to build a TV and radio station for highlighting their daily activities, adding that the foundation plans to build a hospital and a center where people can learn to memorize the Quran. Cherno Omar Bari, Vice Chancellor of the International Open University, thanked President Barrow for taking time out of his schedule to visit the construction site. He also thanked the brains behind the initiative.
xam ne dina njëriñ dëkk bi te ñun defuñ fi dara loo xam ne nañ ko fekkee ndax ñun ñëpp ñu bari si ñun mën naam ñu dee sax balaa lii di jeex maamu lii jeex ñu def si tuuti rek ñu dem waaye li ci óor mooy ñu bari dinañ fi ñëw njëriñoo si lii loo xam ne dina nekk suñ tiyaabu moo tax nag ñu kontaan Your Excellency li nga bàyyi sa Sunday bi tey sa dee boo xam ne yaa ngi waroon a noppaleku nga ñëw ba fii nga ne da ngaa ñëw visit ñu ak affaire mosque bi son kontaan nañ torop ñu ngi lay.
As the project progresses, the Huda Foundation plans to involve community members in various aspects of the construction and future operations of the mosque, ensuring that it reflects the need and aspirations of the Dippa Kunda community. For Star TV News, this is Awasane.